Tired of straining your neck or just want a fresh perspective on your computer screen? Let's dive into how to rotate your laptop or desktop screen, a handy trick for multiple reasons. First, we'll cover the Windows method. Start by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop to access the display settings. In the display settings, within the scale and layout section, or under orientation in older Windows versions, you will find a drop-down menu for display orientation. Click this menu to reveal your options: landscape, the default, portrait, landscape flipped, and portrait flipped. Choosing an option immediately changes your screen's orientation, and be sure to click keep changes if you like the change. If you accidentally get stuck, don't worry. Your computer will usually revert to the previous settings after a brief countdown. If you don't confirm, this gives you time to fix any unexpected changes. Now for the method. For macOS, go to System Preferences, which looks like a gear icon. It may show system settings depending on your operating system's version. Select Displays. Here, you should be able to find a rotation option. Often a drop-down menu, you should see options to rotate the screen. Similar to Windows options, select your preferred orientation, and your macOS screen is instantly modified. Whether you're accommodating a different setup, reading a long document, or in need of troubleshooting, knowing how to rotate your screen can be surprisingly useful. Experiment and find the orientation that works best for you.